SQL is the most underrated skill in tech, and it's used by data analysts, developers, and business professionals at companies of every size. If you work with data, or want to, there is one skill that employers expect you to have above almost anything else. It's not Python. It's not Excel. It's SQL. Structured Query Language. And in this video, I'll give you the fastest beginner foundation in SQL you've ever seen. Stick around, the last section covers exactly how to use SQL to advance your career. What is SQL and why does it matter? SQL, pronounced SQL, is the language used to communicate with databases. Nearly every company in the world stores its data in databases. Customer records, sales transactions, website analytics, inventory, all sitting in tables, waiting to be queried. SQL lets you ask questions of that data and get answers instantly. Data analysts, business intelligence professionals, developers, and marketers all use it every single day. The core SQL command select is how you retrieve data. Select star from customers returns every row in the customers table. Where filters results, select star from customers where country equals UK returns only UK customers. Order by sorts results. Group by aggregates data, for example, total sales by region. Join combines data from multiple tables. These 5 commands cover 80% of real-world SQL usage. Filtering and aggregating data aggregation functions are where SQL gets powerful. Count tells you how many rows match. Sum adds values together. Average calculates averages. Max and min find the highest and lowest values. Combined with group by, you can answer business questions like, which product sold the most last quarter, or which region has the highest average order value, in a single query. Joins, connecting tables. Most databases are relational. Data is split across multiple related tables. Join lets you combine them. Inner join returns rows that match in both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table plus any matches from the right. Understanding joins is what separates a beginner from an intermediate SQL user, and it's what interviewers test. Where SQL is used, SQL runs in MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, SQLite, Snowflake, BigQuery, and more. The syntax is slightly different across these platforms, but the core language is the same. Learn SQL once, apply it almost everywhere. Data analyst roles almost universally list SQL as a required skill. How to practice SQL for free? The best way to learn SQL is to use it. SQLiteonline.com lets you run queries in your browser with no setup. Kaggle has free SQL courses with interactive notebooks. LeetCode and HackerRank have SQL challenges that mirror real interview questions. And Uplatz has structured SQL courses that take you from beginner to advanced with real database exercises. SQL is not optional in a data-driven world, it's essential. And it's one of the fastest skills to learn. Visit Uplatz.com to explore our SQL and data analytics courses and start querying data with confidence today. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials every single week.